Helping with chores around the house isn't just about cleaning or doing what you're told. It's about learning responsibility, building life skills, earning trust, and becoming more independent. Whether you already help out or are just getting started, learning how to handle chores the right way can make life easier for you and everyone else in your home. Chores teach time management, teamwork, problem solving, and even basic skills you'll need when you eventually live on your own. Plus, helping out can reduce stress in the household and show appreciation to the people who take care of you. Let's jump into the top 20 tips that can help teens become more confident, helpful, and responsible at home. Before anything else, it helps to understand why chores are important. Chores aren't punishments. They're part of being a team. Every home needs effort from everyone who lives there. When you help out, you're learning skills that adults use every day, like cleaning, organizing, cooking, and maintaining a space. If chores feel overwhelming, start small. Simple tasks like taking out the trash, wiping counters, or feeding pets are great ways to build confidence. Once those feel easy, you can move on to bigger responsibilities. Doing chores at random times can feel annoying. Having a routine makes things easier. For example, doing dishes after dinner or tidying your room before bed turns chores into habits instead of stressful surprises. Your bedroom is usually your responsibility. Making your bed, organizing your desk, and keeping clothes off the floor builds discipline. When your own space is under control, helping in shared areas feels much easier. Doing a chore halfway often means someone else has to redo it. Ask how to do tasks properly, like how to load the dishwasher, separate laundry, or clean a bathroom. Learning once saves time later. One of the most impressive things you can do is help without being told. If you see dishes in the sink or laundry piling up, jump in. This shows maturity and responsibility and often earns more trust and freedom. Big chores like cleaning the garage or deep cleaning the kitchen can feel overwhelming. Break them into smaller steps. Sweep first, then wipe surfaces, then organize. Small wins keep you motivated. Chores don't have to be boring. Listening to music, podcasts, or audiobooks can make time pass faster and make chores more enjoyable. Just make sure you can still hear instructions or safety warnings. Helping with meals is a major chore that teaches independence. Start with simple tasks like chopping vegetables, setting the table, or washing dishes. Over time, learn how to cook basic meals. It's a life skill you'll always need. Laundry is more than throwing clothes in a machine. Learn how to sort colors, read labels, fold clothes, and put them away properly. These skills save time and prevent mistakes like shrinking clothes or color bleeding. In most households, chores should be shared. If something feels unfair, talk about it calmly. Teamwork works best when everyone contributes and understands each other's responsibilities. If you don't know how to do something, ask. Avoiding chores because you're unsure just creates frustration. Learning now makes you more confident later. Cleaning doesn't have to be a huge event. Put things back where they belong, wipe spills right away, and tidy small messes as they happen. This prevents chores from piling up. Shared areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and living rooms affect everyone. Keeping these spaces clean shows respect for others and helps create a more comfortable home environment. If you mess up a chore, like breaking something or forgetting a task, own up to it. Everyone makes mistakes. Taking responsibility shows maturity and builds trust. Some chores only happen occasionally, like shoveling snow, raking leaves, cleaning windows, or organizing storage spaces. Helping with these tasks shows extra effort and teamwork. Challenge yourself to improve. Maybe aim to keep your room clean all week or learn one new household skill each month. Small goals lead to big improvements. Everything you learn through chores, cleaning, cooking, organizing, helps prepare you for adult life. These skills make moving out, going to college, or living on your own much easier. If you're overwhelmed or confused, talk about it. Honest communication prevents stress and helps everyone find better solutions together. Helping around the house is something to be proud of. You're contributing, learning, and becoming more responsible. A clean, organized home feels better for everyone, and you played a part in that. Helping with chores isn't about being perfect. It's about effort, consistency, and teamwork. The skills you learn now will follow you into adulthood, making life easier and more organized. Start small, stay consistent, and remember that every little bit helps. If you found these tips useful, try putting a few into action today. Over time, you'll notice the difference, not just in your home, but in your confidence and independence too.